In this video, we will show you how to print an image onto a black shirt using Paropy Inkjet Dark. Inkjet Dark will work in most desktop inkjet printers using dye-based or pigment inks. In order to print an image using Paropy Inkjet Dark, you will need the following: inkjet printer with pigment or dye ink, a cutter with an optical eye. We will be using the Graphtec CE6000, Inkjet Dark paper, silicone sheets, these come included with your Inkjet Dark paper, a computer with Graphtec software, and a heat press. Open up Graphtec Studio. Set your working area. In the design page, change the working area to the size of your paper. Ensure the option Landscape is selected. On the Final Cut screen, the program will rotate your graphic 90 degrees. Import your graphic by clicking on the File menu. Then select Open. Resize the graphic if necessary. Open the Trace tab on the top right corner. Select Trace Area. Draw a rectangle around the graphic to trace the outline. Select Trace Outer Edge. Select both the outline and the graphic to make an additional copy if you have room for it. Open the Registration Mark menu. Choose 4, Marks, Type 2 option. Ensure margins are 1 inch. Unselect Weed Borders to prevent the weed border from printing out. Click on File and Print. Select your printer and click Print. Load the Inkjet Dark paper into your printer. Turn on Weed Borders. Weed borders will make weeding of the graphic easier. Open the Cutters window. Choose the correct cutting condition. Choose the correct blade holder. Select the correct offset. Normally, 0 is fine. Select the right force. You can choose to turn on tangential mode or leave it off. We generally leave it on mode 1. Ensure the start extension and end extension is at 0.1 millimeter. This is the overcut setting. Load printed Inkjet Dark paper into the cutter. The base should be loaded the way it shows on your computer in the cutter window. Move the rollers underneath the blue tape. Lower the clamp on the cutter. Select 1 to load the paper with front edge. The machine will only read the registration mark area, so it doesn't matter which option you select to load your paper. On your computer, press Send to Cutter. The cutter We'll now find the registration marks and cut accordingly. After the cutter is finished, unload the paper from the cutter, weed out any unwanted parts. You should be left with only the image portion of your transfer on the backing sheet. Place a black shirt on the press and press for 5 seconds to remove any moisture. Remove the backing sheet from the image transfer paper and place on the shirt with the image face up. Place a silicone sheet on top to protect the image from the press. Heat press should be set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds. Close the press and wait for the press to count down to 0. When the time countdown reaches 0, the press will automatically open. Gently remove the silicone sheet when cold. Prints are vivid and bright. Inkjet Dark has high wash resistance and will have minimal fading and cracking, lasting many wash cycles. For more information or to place an order, please visit us at www.jottopaper.com. Our website offers you 24/7 ordering and same-day shipping. Some conditions apply.